we're in Niagara Falls.
Oh, how cute.
There were two.
Which one?
Both of them.
I'm so excited. It's my first time ever being here, and I'm so excited. If you are looking to plan a trip to Niagara Falls, this is your sign. This was my first time ever going to Niagara Falls, and it was truly such a great experience. I'm pretty sure we saw the falls from every angle possible, and this scene right here was my first time ever seeing Niagara Falls. This is from the United States side.
We're going there.
That's the Canada side, and it was just so spectacular. Really lived up to the expectation, and I was so excited. We were going on that boat with the little blue people all over it, and I was just so excited to see the falls from all the angles. So we started off by going on the Maid of the Mist. That was the boat that we chose to take on the United States side, and this is it. We're traveling into the falls. It is such a cool thing to see.
Go, babe.
You go? I'm gonna have to put my phone away. No? Oh my gosh.
Going in it. Get ready.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I should put my phone away, right?
I don't know.
Sean?
I think it's just misty.
No.
It's the Maid of the Mist. It's misty.
Ah!
Ooh, that's chilly.
Oh my gosh.
Done on the Maid of the Mist, we made our way over to the Canada side and stopped in at our hotel. We're getting ready for dinner. We have amazing views. Like, that's amazing. So we're gonna get ready for dinner and just enjoy the rest of the night, and then tomorrow we have some more activities that we're gonna do. Hopefully I have enough storage on my phone to videotape this.
Are they gonna fall? What's gonna happen?
That one's trying to get up. Sounds like, why is my rock moving?
Huh?
Yes.
Come on, let's run!
Yep.
When we came down this, there was no one here, so we were.
And I couldn't get enough of it, so I'm going to let you guys see this video. Spectacular view like you get from the tunnel.
After about 2 hours of eating in a smoke-filled room.
Scratch kitchen, or do we eat in the whatever downstairs?
Always getting a view of the falls. This is our last morning in Niagara Falls. I wanted to wake up to see the sunrise. It was a little cloudy this morning, so it's okay. We're just gonna, or I'm going to, relax in bed for a little while, then I'll get up and get ready for the day. It's a beautiful day. I could not see the sunrise in Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. Now this was a really cool experience. If you're afraid of heights, don't recommend it.
Oh, but
Ontario and Niagara Falls, New York. At that time, the water level drops 20 feet. And the counterclockwise direction you see in the whirlpool to your the rock face facing us is the United States side. And as we come around the bend, to our left upriver is the Whitewater Rapid.
oh, how cute! Oh, that was so.
best vacation home.
One of them landed on my boyfriend's head, which was pretty funny.
Aw, cute.
To your bucket list, I highly recommend.
There were two.
Which one?
Both of them.
Kicking you away.